Tammy Homegardner here, and in this video we want to talk about who you should connect with on LinkedIn. Most people on LinkedIn tend to play it safe when it comes to adding connections. While sites like Twitter openly advocate adding strangers, most LinkedIn users hesitate to add someone to their network that they haven't at least met in some vague capacity. And so one of the most asked questions that I get on LinkedIn is, who should I connect with? Should I connect with people I don't know? And the answer is yes. Loosening up the definition of friendship can have some serious benefits, especially on LinkedIn. Today we're discussing how connection gathering can greatly improve your LinkedIn experience. So forget about stranger danger. Go ahead and add those random connections. Imagine this. You're at a networking event and a professional approaches you, extending their hand to introduce themselves. You quickly turn your back on them and walk away. Sounds crazy, yet millions of LinkedIn users do this when they ignore invitation requests from people they don't know. Why would I accept an invitation from a stranger? Is the response I get when I advise clients to accept most of the invites sitting in their inbox. On LinkedIn, you have connections, not friends, and that should be your first clue. Does this mean you should accept every invitation you receive? No. You should evaluate the merit of the invite and then decide. I use common sense when deciding to accept a connection request. If the person appears to be a business person in the U.S. and is reaching out, I will accept the request. While I have nothing against people in other countries, unless you plan to do business with them or are looking for a job in their country, they aren't really going to be able to help you much on LinkedIn. I also don't connect with anyone who does not have a photo on LinkedIn. If someone has not posted a photo on their profile, they're either not taking LinkedIn seriously, they're not social media savvy, they're hiding something, or it's a fake profile. And some of these things can actually hurt your search results in the LinkedIn algorithm if you have too many of them. There's a notion out there that you should only connect with the people you know on LinkedIn. To me, that's silly and defeats the entire purpose of using LinkedIn. Think of it this way. The idea of attending a network event is to meet new people who can help you in your job search or in your business. You should be extending your hand and introducing yourself to as many people as you can at the event, with the hopes of meeting people who you can enjoy a mutually beneficial relationship with. You should be extending your hand virtually through LinkedIn to connect with others, to build relationships and help each other.